Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert Word file or compress images in Word. So in order for us to get this done, we're here right now, and yeah, the goal here is basically for us to reduce the file size of this document into the lowest possible. Now, in order for us to do that, we are going to head over to the file and see the info here to see the properties and the size of this document. Say in this case it's 330 kilobytes. Now we're going to reduce that further. So I'm going to click the image right here, picture format, compress pictures, and here you are going to go ahead and uncheck this one. So basically it applies to all the images that you have in this document. And then we're going to use email here as resolution, or 96 ppi. That means it's going to utilize the lowest resolution. So go ahead and hit OK, and then you can go ahead and check down below, and basically the same thing is happening here. So it has been applied. Now we can go over clicking this one, opening the options, advanced, and then down below we're gonna locate something called image size and quality. So go ahead and click this one right here, discard editing data. For default resolution, go ahead and choose 96, hit OK, and then we're gonna save this one. Now, as of the moment, if you're going to head over and check the size, you can see that now it is just 91. So this was from a previous earlier that was 300. Now that is the easiest way to compress Word file or compress images in Word.